friends, Lorrie here on Vancouver Island, and I am back in the studio today and I'm painting on records. So a friend gave me, oh my gosh, I don't even know how many, probably about 300 records. So I'm making her a clock, at least one clock, and possibly a set of three, maybe two paintings and one clock. We'll see how it goes, but she has asked, she told me her favorite colors are red, teal, and black. So that's what I'm going to try and put together for her. So I have some beautiful crimson red, which I've used, and then I took some crimson red and added a little bit of black. Makes it almost a rust color. And I added a little bit of white, which makes it a light red color. And then I have two different shades of teal that I've created by mixing blues and greens together. I have a turquoise, and I have my teal, and then I have some black. And I am gonna go to it and paint these records. So thanks for coming and hanging out with me. Well, here you have them, all four of my beautiful new clocks. Not quite clocks yet, but there's the base done. I think I'll email them to my friend and see if she likes any of them. Hopefully, she likes one of them at least, and I can turn around and make it into a clock for her. Love to hear what you guys think of them. Let me know down in the comments. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do. I love welcoming new people to my world and love seeing you here. So I hope that you are having a fantastic day. I hope you are spending some time with the people that you love. And I hope that you take good care of yourself. I will see you soon. Bye now.